Hey guys, welcome to Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration's new LA office. I'm excited to give you a tour of the facility. It took us almost 2 years, but finally it's ready. Let's take a look. This is the lobby area where patient's journey starts. So the office was designed by my good friend 𝘸𝘸𝘸𝘀𝘸𝘀𝘀. He brought in different pieces from different parts of the world, stonework, leather, Italy, Spain, and it came out very nicely together. One of my favorite elements of the design of the office is this art piece. This is also designed by 𝘸𝘸𝘸𝘀𝑸. The name of the design is The Conference of the Birds. Persian mythology talking about a group of birds trying to find their true king and leader as they have none. In the journey, they go through 7 valleys. Many of them lose hope, many perish in exhaustion. Finally, when they get to the place of 𝘸𝗵𝗀𝘀, they find nothing but their own reflection in the lake. The 30 remaining birds represent 𝘸𝗵𝗀𝘀, and they find themselves in the lake. So they believe that they could achieve whatever they have been planning for. The artwork pretty much represent our philosophy in helping patients and believing in patients finding their true self, their real self. The consultation room is the first time that you see the doctor. This is where we want to hear your story. We want to see what your goals are. We want to see where you're going with your hair loss, do microscopic evaluation, finally design your hairline and plan for your master plan. So the next room I want to show you is our conference room. We meet each other here on a regular basis to fine-tune our methods. We've been in forefront of hair restoration thanks to our educational team and the whole office staff being committed to make it better every single day. So this is my little hideout that I try to relax, but they always find me. We have patients from all over the world. Hair restoration is a process that you can do virtual consultations. You can connect with your physician, send your pictures. We even design your hairline remotely and send it to you, and then you can just show up for the day of procedure. One of my favorite rooms in the office is our media room. You probably have seen it in our TikTok or Instagram. That's where we actually make the content for you, answer your questions, and we love those questions, by the way, and this is where it all happens. Every week, our social media team has a stack of questions for me that is coming from patients from different parts of the world. We love to answer them. We love to help you with your questions and your journey of hair restoration. This is our procedure room area. We have a few procedure rooms. A few procedures could be done at the same time. This is one of our procedure rooms. This is where you come the day of procedure. You are sitting in the chair. You're watching TV, you're listening to your favorite music. It's very convenient for patients. You're surrounded by a team of people who are making sure you're comfortable. While we do the work, you relax, we serve your lunch, we serve your dessert. Before you know it, the day is over and you can go home with a full head of hair. This is our hair wash room after procedure. We always bring patients the day after procedure, do their hair wash and show them how to take care of their hair. After that, they have all the supply and they know exactly what to do. Thank you guys for being part of this tour. I'm glad we had a chance to show you around, and I hope to see you in the office soon.